Hello, this is Michael Rashad. In this short video we're going to show you how we add a quote, and we can add it from several places, but let's start from the quote screen. So we press the add quote button and it'll give us a quote number and a date, and we choose whether we rent it to a company or an individual. So if we rent it to a company, the company pop-up window appears and we start typing what we're looking for till we find the one we want, and then you simply click on it. Now, once you've selected a company, you then get a choice to choose between anybody who works for that company for their attention. We can also click on the edit button and review the company information and edit it from here. And if we select an individual, if we change our mind and we select an individual, it now clears the company information we just set, and we now again start typing and enter until we find the person we want, and then we click on them and we go from there. Now we'll need to change the dates or enter the dates. So we'll put the date in. We'll put the second date in, and it's going to count the number of days, including the start date. And we can also enter a different number of days if we're charging for less days than the rental period. So let's say we're 6. Now we have the option here to add personnel to this if we're supplying personnel. And in this case, we would have a DPE keeper and a gaffer. If we don't need that, we just uncheck it. Now the rest of the screen is now empty. And in order to add the items to the quote, we have to press the Quote Items button. And it creates a temporary record since this is the first record. And we simply press the Add Items button, which pops up a window. And we start by filtering what we're looking for. Now the reason we use this is this system will allow you to quickly isolate a single product out of thousands and thousands of different products. You can view them by name. We can view them by picture, if we have any with pictures. We can add packages, and we can add options, which are items that are being sold individually. So let's start by, we want to add a few of these items. Now you'll notice that this particular one, the price has not been filled in as yet. If I click in it, that's an omission, and I can enter the price directly. Now to add items to the quote, all I do is I click on them. Now in the background you'll see that they're appearing and these are all rental items. Now if I go back to the add items and I click on the options and I click on any of these are sale items. So I click on that, and I'm going to close it again. And now I would choose the quantity. Say I want 25 yards. That'll calculate that. And now let's add a package. And you'll see that we've got the package item as a single price, and these are the individual items that are on that package. Now we can build as complex a quote as we like very quickly just using this methodology. And if we now view the quote, now if we go back to the quote, we'll now see all the rental items, we'll see all the sale items, and we can also view the quote directly from here if we want to. And you'll see the totals are there. If we click on the insurance, It will calculate insurance at 10%, or whichever you've set as the percentage. You can add delivery, you can add a discount, all of the above. And that's all there is to building a quote. Very, very fast indeed, no matter how many different products you've got. This is Michael Rashad. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.